The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, I start today's session by a beautiful statement of Steve Jobs, regarded as one of the most inspirational entrepreneur, CEO of Apple. He says, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. As with all the matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. The lesson everyone can learn from this is, always focus on the positive and let go of the negative. Okay? Now, let us introduce a new student of 8th standard. Let us listen to him.
Hi friends, I am Ramdas and I am from Tirullavala. My father's name is Shivanandan and my mother's name is Usha. I love to play cricket and my ambition is to become a cricket player. My hobbies are playing cricket and cycling.
Thank you, Ramdas. Thank you so much. Now, let us move on to our class. Let us do some problems related to the topic isosceles triangles. Let us do a problem. Some isosceles triangles are drawn below. In each, one angle is given. Find the other angles. Children, see this triangle. Mark it as A, B, C. Here, the equal sides are AC and BC. So, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In the last class, we have learned if two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite equal sides are equal, right? That is, here angle B is equal to 30 degree, right? We know that in any triangle, the sum of three angles is 180 degree, right? So here, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here angle A is 30 degree plus angle B is also 30 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 30, 60 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Right? So here angle C is equal to 120 degree. Angle B is 30 degree. Angle C is 120 degree. Clear children? See this second triangle. Mark it as P, Q, R. Here angle R is 40 degree. Equal sides are PR and QR. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite equal sides are equal, right? So here angle P is equal to angle Q, right? We know that in any triangle, the sum of three angles is 180 degree, right? So here that is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Here equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. Right? Here each angle is, that is, angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to 140 divided by 2 is equal to 70 degree. So here angle P is equal to 70 degree, angle Q is also 70 degree. Is it clear, children? Let us do another question. One angle of an isosceles triangle is 90 degree. What are the other two angles? See this triangle. Mark it as A, B, C. Here what angle is 90 degree? We have to find other two angles. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle. So here equal sides are AC and BC. We have to find angle A and angle B. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite sides are equal. Right? So here angle A is equal to angle B. Right? We know that in any triangle, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Right? So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to each angle is, that is, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. So here angle A is equal to 45 degree and B is also 45 degree. Clear, children? Let us do a problem. In figure below, O is the center of the circle and A, B are points on the circle. Compute angle A and angle B. Here OA and OB are radius of the circle, right? So OA and OB are equal, right? So here triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite sides are equal, right? That is, angle A is equal to angle B. We know that in any triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus here angle C is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Right? So here angle A plus angle B is equal to 120 degree. Each angle is, that is, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Right? Here angle A is 60 degree and angle B is also 60 degree. Clear, children? Let us do another problem. In the figure below, O O is the center of the circle and A, B, C are points on the circle. What are the angles of triangle ABC? Here we have to find angle A, angle B and angle C. For that, first consider triangle OAB. Here OA and OB are radius of the circle. So these two sides of triangle are equal. So here triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite sides are equal, right? So here angle OAB is equal to angle OBC, right? Here angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. It is given. So here angle OAB plus angle OBC plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Angle OAB plus angle OBC plus angle AOB is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle OAB plus angle OBC is equal to 180 minus 120. This is equal to 60 degree. Right? So here each angle is, that is angle OAB is equal to angle OBC is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Right? So here angle OAB is 30 degree and angle OBA is also 30 degree. Right? So here same steps are repeated in these two triangles also. Consider this triangle in triangle OAC. Here OA and OC are radius of the circle. So these two sides of this triangle are equal. So this triangle OAC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite sides are equal. That is angle OAC is equal to angle OCA. Right? Here the sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Here angle AOC is equal to 120 degree is given. Right? So here angle OAC plus angle OCA plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Right? So angle OAC plus angle OCA plus AOC is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle OAC plus angle OCA is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So here each angle is, that is angle OAC is equal to angle OCA is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Right? That is angle OAC is 30 degree, angle OCA is 30 degree. Clear? Next, first we have to find angle BOC. Angle BOC plus angle BOA AOC is equal to sum of these three angles is 360 degree. Right? So here angle BOC plus BOA is 120 degree plus AOC is also 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Right? So here angle BOC is plus 120 plus 120 240. This is equal to 360 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 360 minus 240 is equal to 120 degree. So here angle BOC is also 120 degree. Right? And this triangle BOC, OB and OC are radius of this circle. So these two sides of this triangle are equal. So triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, angle opposite sides are equal, right? So here angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, right? Next, angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle OBC plus angle OCB plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to 180 minus 120. This is equal to 60 degree. So each angle is, that is angle OBC is equal to angle OCB is equal to 60 divided by 2. This is equal to 30 degree. So here angle OBC is 30 degree and angle OCB is also 30 degree. Next, we have to find angle A, angle B and angle C. That is, angle A is equal to angle OAB plus angle OAC. Angle OAB is 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Right? Next, angle B is equal to angle OBA plus angle OBC. Angle OBA is 30 degree and angle OB is also 30 degree. 30 plus 30, 60 degree. So angle B is 60 degree. Next, angle C is equal to angle OCA plus angle OCB. Angle OCA is 30 degree plus angle OCB is also 30 degree. This is equal to 60 degree. Right? So here angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 60 degree and angle C is also 60 degree. Clear, children? So my dear children, hope you all have understood this session. Practice the problems. If you have any doubt, you can call me. I will give two homework question. Page number 26, question number 1, sub question 3 and 4 and question number 3. We will see in the next class. Thank you.